बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। ये हमारे पार्ट 3 है ईडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस का। पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दूँगी, आप वहाँ से जाके विज़िट कर सकते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट ईडियम है पार्ट 3 का, टू एंड इन स्मोक। टाए टाए फिश होना, द मीटिंग एंड इन स्मोक। टू हैव अ बोन टू पिक विद समवन, किसी के खिलाफ शिकायत होना। I have a bone to pick with you about cruelty and injustice shown by you. To poke one's nose into, ख्वामख्वाह दखल देते फिरना। Do not poke your nose into my business. A black sheep, नाकाबिले एतमाद बद किरदार। John is a black sheep of the family. A bed of roses, फूलों की सेज। Life is not a bed of roses, it is a hard job. A bird's eye view, उचटती नज़र डालना। He had a bird's eye view of England. A burning question, गर्मा गर्म मौजू। The Palestine problem is still the burning question of the day. A fair weather friend, मतलबी दोस्त। We should be aware of our fair weather friends. A far cry, नामुमकिन। The solution of the Palestine is still a far cry. A fool's paradise, अहमकों की जन्नत। A man who hopes to succeed without labor lives in a fool's paradise. A hairbreadth escape, बाल बाल बचना। Last night my circle stuck against a car and I had a hairbreadth escape. A hard nut to crack, एक मुश्किल मसला। The problem of Palestine is a hard nut to crack. A rainy day, मुसीबत का दिन। Every wise man saves something for the rainy day. A red letter day, बहुत खुशी का दिन। 14th August is a red letter day for us. A shortcut, आसान तरीका। They could a shortcut across the fields instead of going by the road. A thankless task, ऐसा काम जिसका एहसान ना माना जाए। A very few people realize teaching values. It has become a thankless task these days. An axe to grind, अपना उल्लू सीधा करना। A selfish man always has an axe to grind. An iron will, मजबूत अज़्म। Asan has an iron will to finish his work in time. An open secret, खुला राज। This is an open secret that some foreign powers are trying to ruin Pakistan. Above all, सबसे बढ़कर ये कि he is a poet, a dramatist and above all a journalist. All and sundry, एक हर एक। All and sundry were invited to the function. All in all, मुख्तार कुल। Our principal is all in all in our college. As far as, जहाँ तक मुमकिन हो। I shall help you as far as I can. As good as, एक जैसा। Alishan is as good as his word. As long as, जब तक। You may borrow the book as long as you want. As soon as, जैसे ही। He started as soon as he received his father's letter. As well as, और भी। They traveled by day as well as by night. At a deadlock, तातील। Due to the political situation, the political parties are at a deadlock. At a glance, एक नज़र में। He saw everything at a glance. At home in Mahir, Mr. Mushtaq is at home in mathematics. At large, Azad. The escaped prisoner is still at large. At a loss, Qasir. I am at loss to know what is wrong with the machine. At an arm's length, मुँह ना लगाना। Keep him at an arm's length because he is very selfish. At 6s and 7s, बिखरी हुई। All the books were at 6s and 7s when I entered the room. At the 11th hour, आखिरी वक्त पर। He reached the railway station at the 11th hour. At the top of, जोर से। He shouted at the top of his voice. After all, Barhal, he worked hard and he after all failed. Bag and baggage, Sazo Saman. He left Karachi with bag and baggage. Bosom friends, Jigri dost, Arif is my bosom friend. By all means, har haal mein. I shall learn English by all means. By and by, aista aista. By and by, he recovered from illness. By and large, har tarah se. By and large, he is a good man. By dint of bazaria, he succeed. By dint of hard work. By fits and starts, bezabtagi se. He worked by fits and starts, so it was doubtful if he could pass. By hook or by crook, जायज़ या नाजायज़ तरीके से. By hook and by crook, he wants to achieve his goal. By leaps and bounds, तेज़ी से. Science is making progress by leaps and bounds. By way of, के लिए, he said a few words by way of apology. Crocodile's tears, झूठे आंसू मगरमच्छ के आंसू. The miller hug shades crocodile's tears over little hen's death. Day in and day out, Rosanna. He works day in and day out to get first division. Fair play, insaf pasandi. We should not forget the rules of fair play. Far and near, far and wide, dur dur tak. They search far and wide for the missing child. Fewer and far between, बहुत कम. My visits to his house are few and far between. For good, हमेशा के लिए. He went to England and settled there for good. For the sake, के लिए की खातिर. He argues for the sake of arguing. Friends leave बगैर इतला की छुट्टी. He often takes friends leave from the office. From hand to mouth, तंगदस्ती से. The old man is living from hand to mouth. From time to time, वक्तन फ़वक्तन. I visit my relatives from time to time. Golden age, सुनहरे ज़माना. I spent the golden age in my village, in my native village. Hard and fast, जंचे तले. There are no hard and fast rules for moral judgments. Hard up, तंगदस्त. Kallash, I am very hard up these days. Heart and soul, पूरी ताकत. He put his heart and soul into the work. Here and there, इधर उधर. I looked for my lost book here and there, but I could not find it. Hue and cry, shore hole. The people raised a hue and cry against new tax proposals. In a body, एक साथ मिलकर. The staff resigned in a body. In a bad way, तंगदस्ती की हालत में. And he was in bad way, I helped him. In a fix, उलझन में. He is in a fix these days. In black and white, तहरीर में. He gave me warning in black and white. In full swing, शबाब पर. The class is now in full swing. In lieu of के बदले में. He took Persian in lieu of Arabic. In no time, बहुत जल्द. I shall learn English in no time. In order to, के लिए. He worked hard in order to pass the examination. In short, मुख्तसरन. In short, the miller hug exploited his friend L. Hans. In vain, बेकार फजूल. All our work was in vain. In vogue, रिवाज. That hat is in vogue. In camera, खुफिया तौर पर. The meeting was held in camera and even the press could not get any information. Kith and kin, करीबी रिश्तेदार. We should always be kind to our kith and kin. Man of parts, काबिल आदमी. कायद-ए-आज़म was a man of parts. More or less, कमो बेश तकरीबन. There are more or less 20,000 books in the library. Null and void, कल-अदम. This law is null and void these days. Narrow escape, बाल बाल बचना. He had a narrow escape in the accident. Now and then, कभी कभार. We go to the opera now and then. Odds and ends, mutafarriqat. He has moved most of his stuff. There are just a few odds and ends left. On the contrary, uske baraks. He thinks I have nothing to do, but on the contrary, I am always busy. Once in a blue moon, kabhi kabar. He comes to school once in a blue moon. Once and again, bar bar. He repeated the same question once and again. On and off and on. Waqtan fa waqtan. I trained on and off all day. Out and out, मुकम्मल तौर पर. He is a scoundrel out and out. Out of date, पुराना. This fashion is out of date. Part and parcel, लाजमी जुज़. Books should be a part and parcel of every student's life. Safe and sound, बखैर व आफियत. We reached Karachi safe and sound. Slow and steady, मुस्तकिल मिजाजी से. Slow and steady wins the race. Step by step, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. Mr. K. Bhojani made progress step by step. The lion's share, सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा. As usual, the lion's share of the budget is for defense. Time and again, बार बार. Fahad visited us time and again while he was in Karachi. True and true, मुकम्मल तौर पर. Mr. Lateef is a reliable man through and through. To and fro, आगे पीछे. The children are running to and fro. Tooth and nail, पूरी ताकत से. Our soldiers fought tooth and tooth. Tooth and nail. Under sub's nose, बराह रास्त किसी के सामने. I put the bill under his nose so that he could not miss it. Ups and downs, नशीब फराज. A wise man always thinks over the ups and downs of the matter before taking a decision. Without fail, यकीनन. I shall come to college without fail. With flying colors, कामयाबी से. He passed his examination with flying colors. With open arms, गर्मजोशी से. We received him with open arms. तो ये हमारे 100 इम्पॉर्टेंट ईडियम्स हैं जो हमारी लैंग्वेज में बहुत यूज़फुल होते हैं. कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और ईडियम्स के साथ मिलेंगे और मिलकर सीखेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.